So we're going to take you clear the other side from the northeast of the island of Kauai. Take you to the southwest. I'm sorry, the more southeastward side of the island of Hawaii. One of the more historic surfing spots of our ancient kings in our li'i. It's a place called He'eia. Not the He'eia that we know of off of Kane'ohe, but the He'eia, a famous surfing spot off the area of Kona. A song that, or a chant that was actually depicted by listen to music. I'm sure it is a wonderful chant to music.
Are you filming right now?
No, Kalakaua. Hey.